There is something about Jamaica. There is something to adore, the pleasant people everywhere. Visitors take note, can't be ignored. See the lush green mystical forest, blooming wild plants spring year-round. Magic in Mother Jamaica is found, the cities packed with diverse colors. Rasta men embrace her spirituality, like a sign from her Old Testament, where her first seed was born. The sun peeped through clouds, right after the downpour of rain. Soil enrich with nourishment, and earthly life spring forth, visitors obsessed by her people. Writers get infatuated by her beauty, old Bond films are her proof. That there is something about Jamaica, there is something to adore. Maybe it's because the women are stunning. Or could be that Jamaican men are fit, maybe it's the